Hello everyone, Yellow Mustang here once again with another Roblox game development video. We're back again with our game. Last time we were getting the bullet to use raycasting instead of the touch method or whatever. So we're gonna continue working on that probably. But first, I got a minor fix to do, courtesy of Person. He suggested that. Well, not suggested. He told me I had the dots like comma and then the dots over here. Well, the dots obviously go in here as the parameter there. So now we can pass functions to our, or not functions, arguments to our thread handler function more easily without doing that janky ass, whatever way we had it in here. Yeah, this shit right here. So now we should be able to get rid of the function. Get rid of that end in there, and we should just be able to do spawner player 2. Cool. So past the wait, what did I do here? I think it's like cooldown player 2. Okay. There we go. And that should pass our function in there, and then let's see, where's the thread handler at? Pass the function here, and then the dots will just go down here as the variables for that argument or function, and that should be good. So it's all fine and dandy now. In other news, so we can close out of that. I wanted to organize this a little bit better now with some more folders. Let's see. So I guess best practice is create like a modules folder, and we'll just put our handlers in there, and I believe we want to name this damage handler also, so stay organized there. And then this isn't spaceman handler, this is more like spaceman, what would this spaceman server side, I guess spaceman events. Because this is all just out the events, right? Yeah, okay. Yeah, so Spaceman events here, and then we can just have all the modules there. We just gotta make sure that we update this shit. So let's just do this. I'm not sure honestly if that even matters if we use game get service server script storage, or if we can just do it like that. But whatever. Damage handler. Okay, cool. That's good. And then we just got to put a modules dot thread handler in there, and that should be good. I think we just got to update the lizard AI, and then pretty much everything should be up to date. Okay, so dot modules dot damage handler. Okay, great. Fantastic. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to do with the raycasting is we're going to make it a recursive function. So it's going to keep calling itself, and it's basically going to draw the ray like a little bit further each time it is flying, so that way it doesn't instantly hit the enemy or whatever we're shooting at. So let's go ahead and create a new function up here. So function, what was all that? Recursive, or we'll just call it bullet raycast, I guess. Yeah, bullet cast is actually pretty good. All right, yeah, call that. And let's see here. So we don't need any of that. Call bullet cast in there. Oh, that's skill 2. Okay, get rid of that. We're gonna have to do it for skill 2, but we'll handle that separately. So here, bullet cast, and we're gonna get a bunch of fantastic red lines there. So we need the player first off, and then we need bullet, position, bullet C-frame, I guess. Let's see, how did I have it in here? Skill 1 bullet C-frame. Yeah, so bullet position, and then we could just do bullet direction like that. Yeah, that should be fine. So then we can just replace this with bullet position, and this can be bullet direction times 100. Okay, cool. So that should be good. Damage. How do we want to do damage? So damage equals 15 times modifier. So we do 15 in here, and then we can do local damage modifier equals player dot modifiers. I think, yeah, that's how it is. Dot modifiers. Hope I spelled that right. Dot damage dot value. Okay, there. That's all. Happy. And then, so let's see. So if we don't get a hit, though, I want to do else, and then we're just going to bullet cast again, and we're just going to send the player, and we're going to send bullet position plus 2? No, times 2. No. Oh, God. Something. Bullet position. Is it times 2? I forget, honestly. We want this to move forward 1 each time, or forward 2, and also we want to make this ray way shorter, so 2 each time, and then we want to send the bullet direction. So if we wanted to move it forward, yeah, it should be just be, no, it wouldn't be times 2. Bullet position, it would be like bullet direction, yeah, so it'd be times bullet direction, shit, times 2, right? I think, or would it be plus? Yeah, it would be plus bullet direction times 2. Yeah, okay. Why are you mad at me? Oh, because I said local whatever up there. Okay, there we go. So it will call the function again, and that way it should be 2 studs further, and the array will draw 2 studs out. So that is about the size of our bullet, give or take. I forget how big it is, but that should simulate a bullet more or less, I guess. Let's see. Okay. So then we just need to pass that information here. So we'll do bullet cast, we'll pass the player info. Bullet position is going to be bullet.cframe.position. And then bullet direction is going to be bullet cframe dot look vector. Cool. Okay. So that should be pretty good. I don't think we need any of this anymore. Yeah, so I guess we'll just scrap that. Recursive. So let's explain what this is. This is a recursive raycast bullet flight simulator thing. Okay, but let's see here. So the reason I'm changing this, by the way, if you guys care, there's a weight in here. So if the target moves or whatever, it's still gonna do damage to it, and it's gonna look laggy. But this is a better way of doing it. I believe Fastcast actually does it like this as well. It's just recursive raycasting. Yeah. I don't want this to go forever, though. So let's keep track of this, because we need... I did this before. We need a way to keep track of... how far the bullet goes. Oh, God. Get out of here. How far the bullet goes. We don't want the bullet to fly forever, because this is going to be... it's going to stack up in memory too much, even though raycasting is pretty light. Player bullet pause. I mean, we could check the distance from the player, and after so far, just delete it. I don't know. Yeah, I guess we could do that. So we can do else if bullet pause, or no, let's see, do player dot character dot humanoid root part dot position minus bullet pause is less than 100, then do this. Okay, so that way it won't fly forever, and then that should be good. And we also need like a weight in here, I think. Yeah, so we'll put like a, this is like a 0.3 third of a second wait time in there. And then, yeah. So let's go ahead and test this out, I suppose. I'm going to try and not look at the wiki API this time also. Okay, let's see. So we need to add modules. Modules to that. Oh boy. Oh boy, the errors, of course. Oh, yeah. Magnitude. Man, I'm tired. Been working all day. Come home and record YouTube videos. Okay. So you can see it's print. Oh yeah, I pointed with my finger there. You can see in the bottom left in the output it says it's flying. Okay, let's see. I don't know. Is that, I can't tell really if it's like. It's hard to tell with like moving enemies. Where is this shit? Where's the enemy spawner? Let's disable this. I hate the lizard man, dude. Spawned so many goddamn lizard mans. Let's just throw some figures in here, and we can shoot the figures and then like tell if the speed is good or not. Okay, where's a figure that is not gonna murder me? Yes, figure template. Thank you. Thank you, figure template. Very cool. Alright, let's load in here. Let's load in here and shoot these figures. Okay, so it's way too slow. Yeah, way too slow. Okay, let's not open up random shit. Alright, so spaceman events and recursive thing. Why are you so slow? We could move it further forward, I guess. This would probably increase the speed. That should increase the speed by like, what, a third? I think. Yeah, so let's do that. Alright, so let's shoot these guys. Should be much faster. It's hard to tell when you shoot a bunch, but let's see here. Maybe make it 4. I don't know. I don't want the ray to be too big, or it's going to start looking weird. That's pretty close. That's really close. We might be able to do like 0.5 further, and then that might look like spot on. That's actually pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. That might just be from this distance, though. I don't know. We'll have to try further back. Yeah, that's pretty dead on. I can't even see the damn health bar. I don't know why I'm so far away. Oh yeah, somebody was saying I should do custom health bars for the enemies and shit, and I completely agree with that. I think it was like Hydra Safari, Hydra Sapphire, I forget your name. Oh, hell yeah, that is spot on. Yes, okay, now we're in business. That's really good. All right, boys, 10 out of 10. You know, I didn't feel like recording a video today, but getting that looking pretty good like that, I am pretty satisfied, honestly. That's pretty good. So I guess, so now the issue is with the second skill that we run into is this first bullet is easy because it's just like one small thin line, right? Well, this second skill is a fat block that gets shot, right? So we need to call this bullet cast like 5 times for the corners and the middle, I think. So let's see. We don't need this. No, we do not. I think this is actually going to be pretty easy. I don't know. I think I'm overhyping myself out with how difficult this is going to be. Oh, wait. We might need more variables in there. Ah, shit. Bullet cast. Oh, man. So I want this one to be piercing. So I guess we could just add more variables in here. So let's add a damage variable, and we can add a piercing variable. So let's see here. So it'll do damage there, and then we can do if piercing, then do it again. Yeah. Well, no, I think we can just put it. Now, either way. Else if hit. Okay. So the thing is, I don't want to write this thing like twice. So let's bring this if statement out so we can access it with multiple things. So if hit, if not hit, and this thing is within 100 studs of us, then we can do or piercing, then that. Right? Okay, let's just embed this like one further. So we can do if not hit or piercing, then we will recurse, and then we will do if it is within 100. If it's within 100 studs of our character, then we will recurse. If not, it will kill the thread. Yeah, okay, that's pretty good. Let's see. So do damage. Okay, so that's good. Piercing. All right, fantastic. All come together. So in here, where did we call it in skill 1? Okay, here. So we want damage first, 15, piercing, false. Okay, cool. And then skill 2 server, we're going to do 4i equals 1, 5 do? I guess. I guess that's an okay way of doing it. I don't know. Oh, man, we're coming over time already. Oh, man. Not enough hours in the day to make this damn game. If I could work on this off camera, this shit would be done by now. But recording it makes this shit take so much longer than it needs to. Okay, so this can create it. I guess I could do an if statement for every single corner or whatever. So we can do if I equals 1, then be in the right corner. If I equals 2, then be in the left corner. Yeah, I guess that's the way we're going to have to do it. Yeah, we will do that next time. I would like to thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.
Oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this. Oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this. Oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this.